Hello guys and welcome to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to delete a section of your website on Wix. So firstly, just manage a website that you need. I will choose this one and then go to edit sites. This will open up a site editor. And guys, pretty much you can do this just visually without going into the settings. So let's say I have this test store and I can browse it. As you can see, I can edit the multiple sections. And if you want to delete the section, let's say I want to delete this our story, right, where I have the explanation of my website, where there's this button learn more. So this is the about section. If I want to delete it, you just need to choose it and then go 3 dots, which is more actions, and press on delete. So this will erase the certain part of your website. So for example, if I press on it, as you can see, it's now deleted. And also you can undo the recent action. You can just click the arrows in the top bar. So as you can see, we can just press on undo. And now my section is back. But in general, if you want to delete, once again, just 3 dots and delete. Enjoy guys, hopefully this helped you. If it did, if it was helpful to you, support our channel by pressing like on the video, subscribing, and of course leaving a comment. See you soon guys.